My karani ma is still alive. She's the only one of my great-grandparents that's left. And how I learned from her is I watched her. So I took my daughter, my oldest daughter, up to the Hokianga, where we're from, and I watched her with my daughter. And I watched her for about 4 days, and I learnt so much as a parent. And the first thing I thought was she gave her whole attention to when my daughter was talking, she was only with her. And everything that she said was so important. And I could see my daughter just kind of getting bigger and bigger in her chair. And I thought, I don't listen to her like that. My communication is, okay, now you need to do this, have you done that? It was very directive. Okay, you've got your reasons, you've got to go to kura and we've got half an hour. But it didn't have to be directive all the time. And my karani ma was really patient. She didn't interrupt her, she didn't overtalk her, she didn't assume she knew what Maya was going to say. She waited. Maya would pause, she waited. So I learnt patience when I watched her. And then when I was at my karangitonga's house, some elderly people came round. She lives in Kaikohen, so people pop in all the time. There's kai and what I saw was that they value children in a whole way that I'd forgotten. And they treated my child, when they say that children are the leaders of the future and that children are our future, they really act that way. They really acted and behaved that way with her.